Imagine you're scrolling through your feed tonight. You stop on a young woman's profile. She's vibrant, funny, and highly engaging. She talks directly to the camera, telling stories about her day. Millions of people follow her every move, and major corporations pay her hundreds of thousands of dollars for endorsements. But there is a catch. She has never drawn a breath. She is entirely synthetic. The traditional influencer industry relies on biological humans, which brings inherent friction. Humans require rest. They age. They get sick. They take vacations. And as their audience grows, they demand higher compensation for their time. A digital avatar carries zero overhead. She never sleeps, never complains, and can work 24 hours a day without generating a single drop of sweat. The multi-billion-dollar creator economy is shifting towards a model where every smile and every post is a calculated data point, stripping away human unpredictability. Take a highly popular lifestyle influencer out of Spain. She generates massive monthly revenue strictly by posting high-end fashion and travel content. Millions of real people wait eagerly for her daily updates. They leave supportive comments when she shares a fabricated struggle, and they celebrate her manufactured joys, projecting their own deep empathy onto her. The audience forms a genuine emotional bond with a series of ones and zeros. They are reacting to a blank digital canvas. These avatars allow companies to scale human empathy like a software update, turning a single personality into an automated, high-margin revenue stream. Let's step inside the factory where these digital humans are built. The entire process starts with a simple sequence of text prompts, acting as foundational digital DNA. To bypass our natural skepticism, the generation process intentionally engineers biological flaws. We see pores, subtle blemishes, and uneven textures. Imperfections sell the illusion. Creating a single convincing image is relatively simple. The real technical hurdle is spatial consistency, keeping that exact biological identity identical across hundreds of different photos. AI networks solve this by locking in the physical geometry of the face. The identity remains entirely intact from any angle. Once secured on the grid, a single command re-renders her into an evening gown or onto a balcony in Dubai. Physical reality, geography, lighting, and wardrobe is reduced to easily swappable data parameters on a server. A static image can only achieve so much. The next phase of manufacturing requires injecting motion and voice into the model to bridge the uncanny valley. An AI synthesizes a custom voice from scratch. The programmer uses a dial to dictate the exact emotion, whether it needs quiet calmness, bright excitement, or strict authority. The network maps that generated audio directly to the avatar's face. The software meticulously aligns the syllables, creating lip syncing that matches the intended emotional tone. The final physical step is programming subtle micro-gestures. A casual wave, a soft smile, or a fluid peace sign cements the illusion of life. All of these individual visual and auditory layers are compiled together. A fabricated backstory is attached, giving her childhood memories, specific tastes, and daily frustrations. This assembly line systematically engineers human relatability from scratch. A smartphone screen provides just enough distance to hide the seams between a biological human and a series of rendered pixels. Millions of people are currently dedicating real-time, energy, and emotion to lines of code and pixels, entirely unaware of the deception. We've moved past the technical challenge of making AI look human. The real conflict now is how these entities reshape our own sense of self. If a manufactured illusion can genuinely make you laugh, inspire you, and change the course of your life, does its lack of a physical birth actually matter? In the modern digital age, authenticity has become a programmable variable, a set of instructions designed to make us believe.